Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. Welcome to you all in online class of Hazil Almia City College. I am Sheikh Sora Hussain, your English teacher. Dear learners, today's topic compound to complex and simple. Learning outcome of today's topic, dear learners, you will be able to change from compound to complex and you will be able to change from compound to simple. First of all, we will learn how we can make compound to complex. Technique to be applied here: transform one of the two independent clauses to dependent clause, then use subordinating or relative conjunction before dependent clause, then use comma after dependent clause if it comes first, and at last use rest of the independent clause. Dear learners, now how we can make compound to simple. Technique to be applied here: at first, transform to phrase any of the two independent clauses, then use comma, and at last use rest of the independent clause. For example, I went to his house but he did not meet me. Notice, I went to his house is an independent clause, then another clause, he did not meet me, and these two clauses are joined by but. So this is a compound sentence. You are to make it complex and simple one. Let us go for a shortcut. Here is a shortcut for you. In compound sentence, if you notice but or yet, then in complex sentence you can use though or although, and to make it simple you can use in spite of or despite. Okay, so this notice this compound sentence: I went to his house but he did not meet me. Here two independent clauses are joined by but, so to make it complex you can use though at first, then use the first clause, I went to his house. Though I went to his house, this is the dependent clause. We make this independent clause to dependent clause with the help of though. Then you use a comma, and after that use the rest of the clause, that is, he did not meet me. He did not meet me. So the complex one is: though I went to his house, he did not meet me. To make it simple, as these two clauses are joined by but, so you can use in spite of at first. So you are to make this clause to phrase with the help of in spite of. So in spite of my going to his house, then use comma, and at last use the rest of the clause, he did not meet me. He did not meet me. So the simple sentence: in spite of my going to his house, he did not meet me. Next example: he is sick yet he does not feel weak. the first clause, he is sick, and the last clause, he does not feel weak, and these two independent clauses are joined with yet. So this is a compound sentence. Now you have to make it complex and simple one. From shortcut, you know, if a compound sentence is with yet, then to make it complex you can use although. So at first use although, then use the first clause, he is sick. So now although he is sick, this is an dependent clause, then use comma, and after that use the clause after yet, he does not feel weak. So the complex sentence is although he is sick, he does not feel weak. To make it simple, as this compound sentence is joined with yet, so to make it simple you will use in spite of at first, and you will make this principal clause or independent clause to dependent clause, independent clause to phrase. So with the help of in spite of, we will make it a phrase, in spite of his being sick. Then use comma, and at last use the rest of the part after yet, that is he does not feel weak. So the simple sentence is in spite of his being sick, he does not feel weak. Or you can make it like this: in spite of being sick, he does not feel weak. This two is correct as a simple sentence. Or these two sentence is correct as a simple sentence. You can like either of the two. Here is a test for you. Compound sentence: I went there but could not meet him. Make it complex and then simple one. Then another test for you. Compound sentence: Shaila started early in the morning but could not reach her destination before the sunset. Make it complex and simple. Dear learners, do yourself. Let us go next example in the next slide. Next example: he was ill and therefore he could not attend the conference. Here the first independent clause is he was ill, and the last one is he could not attend the conference, and these two independent clauses are joined by and therefore coordinate conjunction. So this is a compound sentence. Now we have to make it complex one and simple one. Dear learners, let us go for a shortcut in the next slide. Here is a shortcut for you. A compound sentence with and. When you will make it complex, you will use as or since or when or because. To make it simple, you can use because of or on account of or owing to or due to or verb plus ing. Okay. So, dear learners, this is a compound sentence with and. You can get and, so, and therefore, for only and. Okay. So to make it complex, you can use since or as at first. Then you will use this first clause. Now, since he was ill or as he was ill, this is a dependent clause. So he was ill, it was an independent clause, but when you use at first since or as, and now it has become an dependent clause. Since or as he was ill, then you use a comma, and after that you use the last independent clause or next clause, that was he could not attend the conference. So the complex sentence is since he was ill he could not attend the conference, or as he was ill he could not attend the conference. To make it simple, as here is the presence of and, so at first you will use because of, and then you will make this clause to a phrase with the help of because of. So that is because of being ill, then use a comma, and after that use the last or rest of the clause, he could not attend the conference. He could not attend the conference. So the simple sentence is because of being ill he could not attend the conference. Dear learners, next example, I woke up and he went away. First clause, I woke up, and independent clause, then last clause, he went away. This is also an independent clause, and these two clauses are joined by and. So this is a compound sentence. Now we are to make it complex and simple. Okay. From shortcut we know that compound sentence with and can be make into a complex with the help of as, since, when. So here we will take when, we will use when, because here two activities are taking place at the same time. One is I woke up and the next one is he went away. So we will use when. Then use first clause, I woke up, when I woke up, then use comma, and after that use the rest of the independent clause, he went away. So the complex sentence, when I woke up he went away. Here when I woke up, this is a dependent clause, then we have used a comma, and then we have used the next clause, he went away. This is an independent clause. So this is a complex sentence, when I woke up he went away. To make it simple, we will use because of at first, and with the help of because of we will make or change this clause I woke up to a phrase, that is because of my waking up, and after that you will use a comma, and then you will use the rest of the clause, he went away, he went away. So the simple sentence is because of my waking up he went away. Dear learners, test 2, here is a test for you. Compound sentence, he studied hard and so he got a good figure in the exam. Make it complex and simple on. Then another test for you, compound sentence, I reached home and it started to rain. Change this compound to complex and simple. Dear learners, try yourself. Next example, work hard and you will be successful. Here work hard, this is a clause, and this is a imperative clause, or subject is not present. The clause begin with work, begin with a verb work, and then another clause, you will be successful, and these two independent clauses are joined by and. So this is a compound sentence. Now you are to make this compound sentence to complex and simple one. Dear learners, here is a shortcut for you. Notice this. Compound sentence with imperative ... and. To make it complex, you can use if plus affirmative. Then to make it simple, you can use by plus verb plus ing or by plus gerund. Same thing. Here notice this is an imperative sentence and here is and. So this is a compound sentence with imperative ... and. So if we make it or change it to complex, then at first from shortcut I have to take if, then work hard, this clause here subject you, then work hard. So the clause is if you work hard. Work hard, this is an independent clause. I have changed it to a independent clause, that is if you work hard. Then use a comma and then use rest of the clause, that is you will be successful. You will be successful. So the complex sentence is if you work hard, you will be successful. To make it simple, you can take the help by plus gerund or by plus verb plus ing. So by plus verb is here work, verb is here work. So work plus ing. So the thing at first use by working, then use rest of the part hard. So the phrase is by working hard. Dear learners, work hard. This is an independent clause, so I have changed it a phrase with the help of by plus gerund, by working hard. Then use a comma and after that use the rest of the clause, you will be successful. You will be successful. So the simple sentence is by working hard you will be successful. Dear learners, next example, do and die. Dear learners, this is a compound sentence and this is a compound sentence. Characteristic is both the clauses are imperative here and these two clauses are joined with and. So to make it complex, you have to take the help of if. If you do, first clause that is below do, I have changed it to dependent clause. If you do, then use a comma and after that use rest of the clause die, you will die. Here both the two clauses are imperative and the subject is here not present, but in case of complex you have to mention subject in both clauses. Okay. So the complex one is if you do, you will die. To make it simple, we will get the use of help of shortcut by plus gerund. So here verb is do, by doing. Then next clause die, you will die. So the simple sentence is by doing you will die. Dear learners, I think you have understand this. So here the main technique or shortcut technique is imperative with and in compound sentence. To make it complex, you will use if plus affirmative structure, and to make it simple, you will take the shortcut technique of by plus gerund. test 3 for you. Compound sentence, move and be punished. Make it complex and simple. Then another test, compound sentence, study attentively and you will make a brilliant result in the exam. Make it complex and then simple one. Dear learners, try yourself. Next example, do or die. Dear learners, this is a compound sentence with imperative. This compound sentence you have to change it to complex and then to simple one. Let us go for a shortcut. Dear learners, here is a shortcut. Compound sentence, imperative ... or. To make it complex, you have to take the help of if plus negative, or you can use unless. To make it simple, you will use without plus gerund or without plus verb plus ing. This is the important shortcut note for you. Okay. So this is a compound sentence, imperative compound sentence. This is a compound sentence. Here both the two clauses are imperative and these imperative clauses are joined by or. So to make it complex, at first you will use if, then use first clause. If you do not do, then use a comma and then use the second clause, die, you will die. So the complex sentence is if you do not do, you will die. Or you can use here unless instead of if. If you use unless, then you need not to use not, because not is within unless. So unless you do, then use comma and at last use the last clause, you will die. So the complex one is unless you do, you will die. Then to make it simple, you can use that the help of without plus v plus ing. So at first use without, then here verb do, add ing with do, so doing. So first clause without, first you have to make this imperative clause to a phrase. So that is without doing, the phrase is without doing. Then use the second clause, die, you will die. So the simple one is without doing, you will die. Dear learners, next example, obey your teacher or you will not be happy in life. Here this clause is imperative on, and that is an independent clause, and last clause is you will not be happy in life. This is also an independent clause and these two clauses are joined with or. So this is a compound sentence. So this is an a compound sentence where conjunction, coordinate conjunction is or, and the first clause is imperative on. So if we want to make it complex, we have to take the help of if, shortcut if. So if you do not obey your teachers, this is the first clause, obey your teachers, imperative one. Now you have to change it and a dependent clause, if you do not obey your teachers. Then use a comma and after that use the rest of the clause. You will not be happy in life. You will not be happy in life. Or you can take the help of unless. At first use unless, then use the first clause, you obey your teachers. So unless you obey your teachers, this is the dependent clause of independent imperative clause, obey your teachers. Then use a comma and then use the rest of the clause. You will not be happy in life. You will not be happy in life. So the complex sentence is here, unless you obey your teacher, you will not be happy in life. Okay. To make it simple, you have to take the help of without plus V plus ing. So without obeying your teachers, obey your teachers, this clause you have to make it, you have to change it a phrase with the help of without plus V plus ing. So this is the phrase, without obeying your teachers, then use a comma and then use the rest of the clause. You will not be happy in life. You will not be happy in life. So the simple sentence is, without obeying your teachers, you will not be happy in life. Dear learners, here is a test, that is test for you. Compound sentence, follow the rules strictly or you will be punished. Now you have to make it complex and then simple one. Then another test for you, that is compound sentence, rise early in the morning or you will not get enough time to do your work. You have to make it complex and then to simple one. Okay, dear learners, do yourselves. Next example, Hassan saw the train and ran towards it at once. Dear learners, notice first clause is Hassan saw the train, an independent clause, and the second on he ran towards it at once. This is another independent clause, and these two clauses are joined with and he, so it is a compound sentence, and this here is the presence of add-ons in this compound sentence. Now you have to make it complex and then to simple one. Dear learners, let us go for a shortcut. Here is a shortcut for you. Compound sentence with and add-ons. To make it complex, you have to use or take the help of as soon as or no sooner then, or you can take the help of scarcely or hardly when. To make it simple, you have to take the help of just after, then you have to use verb plus ing. So this was the shortcut of compound sentence with and add-ons. Okay. So dear learners, very clear, this compound sentence, there is the presence of and add-ons. So to make it complex, we will use either as soon as or no sooner. Okay, first of all, you can use as soon as Hassan saw the train. This was the first independent clause. Now we have changed it as soon as Hassan saw the train. This is a dependent clause. Then use a comma, and after that use the rest of the clause. He ran towards it at once. He ran towards it. So the complex sentence is, as soon as Hassan saw the train, he ran towards it. Or you can use no sooner here. No sooner had Hassan seen the train, then he ran towards it. Dear learners, you must notice, and after no sooner you have to use had, then V3 form of principal verb, and then you have to use then. Or you can use also here hardly or scarcely. If you were to use here scarcely or hardly, then here you are to change with when or before. Okay, then to make it simple, in case of simple and with add-ons, compound sentence with and dot add-ons. So at first you are to use just after. So Hassan saw the train. You have to change this clause to a phrase with the help of just after seeing the train. Okay, then use a comma, and at last use rest of the clause. He ran towards it at once. He ran towards it. Yeah, Hassan ran towards it. Dear learners, here in the phrase there is no presence of subject, so in second clause you have to mention the noun, that is Hassan ran towards it, not he ran towards it. Okay, so the simple sentence is, just after seeing the train, comma, Hassan ran towards it. Okay, next example, we finished the work and started for home at once. Here the first clause, we finished the work, and last one, we started for home at once. These two clauses are joined with and, so this is a compound sentence. Now we have to make it complex and then to simple one. So from shortcut we know that to make it complex we have to take the help of as soon as. So as soon as we finish the work, here we finish the work, we have to change this clause to a dependent clause with the help of as soon as we finish the work. Then use a comma, and after that use the rest of the part, started for home at once. So here we started for home. As soon as we finish the work, comma, we started for home. This was the complex sentence. Then to make or you can make with the help of hardly. Here hardly had we finished the work when we started for home. Dear learners, if we take the help of hardly, then you have to use here when, then here V3 form of verb, and here had. Don't forget this. Okay. So the complex sentence of this compound on is, as soon as we finished the work, we started for home, or hardly had we finished the work when we started for home. You can use also scarcely here instead of hardly. Okay. Then to make it simple, you have to use just after at first, and you have to make this close to a phrase on. Okay, so we finish the work. We have to change this close to a phrase with the help of just after finishing the work. Then next clause, started for home at once. So we have to use here we, then we started for home. So the simple sentence is, just after finishing the work we started for home. Okay, dear learners, here is a test for you. Test 5, compound sentence. Sanjida heard the news of her getting GPA 5 and broke into joy at once. You have to make it complex and then to simple one. Then another example, another test for you. Compound sentence. Faiza saw me and began to run towards me at once. You have to make it complex and then to simple one. Dear learners, try yourself. Next example, he is very weak and he cannot walk. Here two independent clause, he is very weak and he cannot walk. These two clauses are joined by and, so this is a compound sentence. Now we have to make or change it complex and then to simple one. Okay, dear learners, notice the shortcut. Compound sentence, if the compound sentence is with very ... and then to make it complex you will use so ... that, and to make it simple we will take the help of to ... to. Okay, so he is very weak, you have to change it, he is so weak. Then instead of and you have to place here that, and then the rest of the clause, he cannot walk. He cannot walk. So the complex sentence is, he is so weak that he cannot walk. Then simple one, you have to take the help of to ... to. Okay, so he is very weak, he is too weak. Then to, and from the next clause only walk. Okay, so the simple sentence is, he is too weak to walk. Dear learners, next example, here is a sentence. He is not only a good student but also a good player. Dear learners, first clause, he is not only a good student, and the second clause, he is also a good player. These two clauses are joined with but, so this is a compound sentence, and here both these two clauses are independent clause. To make it now we have to make it complex and then to simple. Dear learners, notice the shortcut. You have to take here help. If the compound sentence is not only ... but also, then to make it complex you can use while, and to make it simple you can use besides. Okay, so this is a compound sentence where not only ... but also is present, so you can take the help of while to make it complex. While he is a good student, first clause, he is not only a good student, this is while he is a good student. Now it is a dependent clause, then use a comma and then use the rest of the clause after but also a good player. So here you have to place the subject he, then he is a good player. So the complex sentence is, while he is a good student, he is a good player. To make it simple on, you have to take the help of besides. Now to make this compound to simple, we have to change this first clause to a phrase with the help of besides. Besides being a good student, then use a comma and then use rest of the clause, also a good player. Here he is a good player. or you can make it like this: besides a good student, then use comma, and after that last clause is a good player. Dear learners, you must deduct this not only then but also from complex and compound sentence, of course. So the simple sentence, besides being a good student, he is a good player, or you can make it like, besides a good student, he is a good player. Okay. Dear learners, next example, I wanted to buy some books, so I came to market. Here, I wanted to buy some books. This is an independent clause. Then another independent clause, I came to market, and both these two clauses are joined by so. So this is a compound sentence. Now you have to change it complex and then to simple one. Dear learners, notice the shortcut. Compound sentence, wanted to or want to ... so. Dear learners, notice here I have underlined under wanted to. You can get it wanted to or want to. Then here is the presence of so. So to make it complex, you can use so that, and to make it simple, you can take the help to plus verb, that is with the help of infinitive you can make it simple. Okay. First compound to complex, that is first clause. Here I came to market, you have to use this clause at first. I came to market, আমি বাজারে এসেছিলাম, the result ফলাফল. What was the cause? So that I could buy some books, যাতে করে আমি কিছু বই কিনতে পারি. Dear learners, when you will use so that as subordinating conjunction, then here you are to use could, can, may or might. Okay. So the complex sentence is, I came to market so that I could buy some books. To make it simple now, I came to market, close after so will be first. Here I came to market, then use infinitive to, then verb here, then part of then rest of the part from verb to buy some books. Okay. Simple sentence, I came to market to buy some books. Dear learners, I think you have understand this very clearly. Next example, I saw a bird and it was flying. Dear learners, I saw a bird, an independent clause, then it was flying, another independent clause. These two clauses are joined with and, so this is a compound sentence. Now you have to change it to complex and then to simple one. Dear learners, notice the shortcut. If the compound sentence is here with, if the compound sentence is with and there is the presence of person or object or animal or place or time, then to make it complex you have to take the help of who instead of person, which instead of object of or animal, instead of place you have to take the help of where, and in case of time you have to take the help of when. Okay. So dear learners, this is a compound sentence, I saw a bird and it was flying. To make it complex, here first clause, I saw a bird, I saw a bird, then we have to use which, because here a bird, this is animal, so we have to use which. I saw a bird which, then use second clause was flying. Okay, was flying. Okay. Complex sentence. So the complex sentence is I saw a bird which was flying. To make it simple, I saw a flying bird. Here, dear learners, as it was a animal, so here only the flying. How was the bird? The bird was flying. So before bird, we have used this flying. So this is the simple sentence is I saw a flying bird. Dear learners, this was all for today. Thank you very much. Watch the video again and again and practice yourself to make better understanding. Thank you very much, dear learners. No more today.